Hi everybody, so welcome to your Madeline's channel. So this is gonna be my first ever video in YouTube, and I'm just gonna make a video of my squishy package which I ordered. I don't know how much it is in total, but I ordered 3 squishies. And this is also going to be my first ever squishy package. So let's go in the video. Okay. So first I'm going to open it. Oh my gosh, guys. I can't believe it, guys. This is my panda bun, my mini panda bun. Let me open it. That's the keychain. Oh, it feels weird. So sterilizing. Okay. This is my macaron. Oh my god. It's not that slow rising, but it's okay. Okay. Oh, there's one more. Oh, it's another panda bun. This time it's a boy one, and this was the girl. Okay, and then I got this squishy, which I always wanted. Okay. It's so sliding. Oh my gosh. So there's a heart here and her face. And this squishy is like really popular. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I got. So this milk squishy, I think it's the original one, and it's mini, I think, or medium. My mini panda bun with a red bow, which is a girl, I'm pretty sure, and a boy with no ribbon on. And a macaron, that's not that slow racing, but it's okay. It's a little bit dense though. So now I have 5 squishies now. Wow. So, comment down below which video you want me to make, and smash that like button and subscribe. So, bye!